Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner back for a Cardano ADA video. So, guys, happy Monday. Welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend. So, now let's get back to the money. Looking at Cardano ADA, it looks like we're up 2%. So, it's good. And the overall market's not doing great, but we're still hanging in there. So, continue to hold. Um, Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's see what you guys think about Cardano ADA, the value, if it's worth it to hold. We're going to get to a price prediction video in a couple minutes. But in the last hour, it's down 1.38%. Last 24 hours is up 1.52%. In the last 6 days, it's up 12.57%. And the last 30 days is up 13.52%. So if you look at the 24-hour chart, looks like it's going up. Not necessarily a full bull run, but it's staying consistent, right? So over the past 7 days and the past 30 days, it seems to be relatively consistent. So I'm going to switch to video, but let's check out the Twitter page. It looks like on the Twitter page there are only 113 projects of 1,200 listed on the Cardano show page. So I guess they're asking you to add projects or spread the word to get the information up on the showcase page. So we'll check that out at some point. Calling community members. This is about the Cardano Summit. So we'll keep that in mind as well. And looks like Cardano is still at number 7. And checking out the market cap and the volume, 24-hour volume's pretty consistent. Market cap is 13 billion. Circular supply is still 34 billion. Is that billion or? And the max supply is 45 billion. So yeah, the circling supply is slowly catching up. So I suspect that'll have a price increase. But if you know, put that in the comments. Let me know what you think. And then this is Coin Market Cap. So this up 1.99%. I think the last resistance point is 0.36. So let's kick to the video. So this guy's doing a Cardano price prediction. So let's get to it.
So in this video, guys, we are once again back with a Cardano price prediction and technical analysis. And guys, Cardano actually just recently did two bullish things here in the immediate short term. We will take a look at all about what that means for the Cardano price. We will take a look at that, but we will also, of course, zoom out here and take a look at the longer term perspective as well. You know, yesterday we did have an important weekly candle close, so we will talk about that. But as always, guys, I do want to start this video off here by taking a look at the daily time frame. So here on the chart, every candlestick represents one day. And if you take a look here at the most recent daily candles, we can see that recently Cardano actually got rejected once again in this resistance area. You can see we pretty much exactly reached a 0.40 US dollar, saw a small push here towards the downside. But today, guys, we're actually seeing a pretty significant upwards movement. We are currently trading up around 5% for the day here. And if we compare with the rest of the crypto market, we can see that it's a pretty strong performance. Bitcoin is only up around 0.50. So very strong performance for Cardano so far today. One thing we can notice about today's daily candle is that if we close above the previous red one, so if Cardano closes the day above around 0.392, then today Cardano will be printing a bullish engulfing pattern, and that is a bullish Japanese candlestick that indicates a potential reversal to the upside. So that is one sort of short-term bullish sign we can look out for. But now, guys, I do want to switch the attention here to the 4 hour time frame because two important things just recently happened. The first thing is that we just recently got a bounce here. We got a bounce at our support area, but we'll return to this area later on. But this one is in between around maybe 0.37 US dollar to 0.365. We bounced at this one, but we also pretty much printed a bullish hammer. You can see a bullish hammer is a candlestick that looks something like this. Maybe this red candle has a bit too large real body here, but this is still pretty much a bullish hammer, which is a bullish Japanese candle that indicates a potential reversal. So we had a bullish candlestick. We also had support, and after that we saw a strong bounce here towards the upside. Very nice move towards the upside. One sort of thing, however, is that you can see on this 4 hour candle, we do have around 2 more hours to go before the candle close. But definitely look out for if we get a candle that looks something like this. This is actually a bearish shooting star and it's a bearish candle. So hopefully before this 4 hour candle close ends, Cardano will push up a bit higher. That is what I'm looking out for. Uh, but the other thing I do want to talk about is actually something going on here with the momentum indicators. So if we take a look here from this point to this point, let me show this with another color. Let me show this with yellow. You can see here that Cardano printed one low and then a higher low, right? But if you look down here to the MACD, you can see that the MACD printed a lower low. The same thing also true here with the RSI, a lower low. And when we have the price printing higher lows, while both the MACD and the RSI, both the MACD and RSI are momentum indicators, but when we have the price going in one direction and the momentum indicators going in the other direction, that is what we call, in this case, a hidden bullish divergence indicating continuation here towards the upside. So these are two short-term bullish sign just recently happened here for Cardano. However, one more thing we need to do here in order to start looking very interesting is to actually break this upward sloping blue line right here. You can see this one have been acting as resistance, at least one time, two time, three time, four time. So I would not be surprised if we can see some selling pressure coming in once again at this upward sloping blue line. That is definitely one thing to keep an eye on. But now, guys, let's switch the attention back here to the daily time frame. You may wonder what are some important things that needs to happen here in the medium term scenario. But super quick before we do that, guys, if you are enjoying the updates here on the channel, the Cardano updates, and want to see more of them, it helps out so much when you show that by dropping a like on the video. So if you're logged in on YouTube and have the time, I appreciate all the likes, all the comments so much. It helps out more than you think, guys. You can also, of course, guys, let me know what you are drinking right now. But as for the upside scenario here in medium term, what Cardano needs to break here, and this is one area, I'm sorry, we have been talking about this one so much, but it is this gray area in between 0.40 to 0.45. You can see we have been seeing resistance coming in one time, two time, three time. Looking even more left here, you can see resistance coming in here in October and November 2022. And you can also see support pretty much starting all the way back here in May 2022. We saw support coming in so many.
Right, guys, that was just some of the technical information for Cardano ADA. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like the technical information or if it's too technical or what you think about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to keep holding. And happy Monday. Let's get back to the money, guys. Black Miner out.